said to him, just brought him to your place. And then I said, don't eat him.
Disrespect.
Should have taken a picture.
My keys are crazy. Allie saw something.
I have it.
Come on, guys. Guys, I know how we can stay longer and it won't rain. Say Ludo Maxima and put that in front. Ludo Maxima. Ludo Maxima. King Trap. I think we need to talk about. Copy me. Ludo Maxima.
Yeah, we might be back to that. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you will this be just a... Ivy, let's have dance party. Let's dance. I like that.
Yeah, Avery. Yeah.
ka dito ah.
The last 20 years.
To hook me up with a deal on a new Super Duty.
Oh, with board employee pricing on now, you don't really need me. You pay what we pay.
So I just gave you a price.
Yup. Tell him Mike sent you.
Board employee prices here. Right now, get a 12 value 835 employee price adjustments on eligible 2020 bucks.
Ryan.
Get this. Wait. I eat a language costume. Go back.
We're just finishing up some spaghetti toast.
BesTea Outdoor.
Alright, I think I'm ready to do a circus show. Are you guys ready to see a circus show? Oh, good. I'm glad we're all on the same page, and that would have been a little awkward. Welcome to Kimberly's Pocket Circus. I'm Kimberly. Hi. I am so excited to show you everything that me and my little tent and even my chickens can do. We've been practicing very hard all of our skills, and it would just be selfish to keep them all to ourselves. So while I am going to warm up a little bit, I want you guys to also warm up a little bit, because this show is a circus show, and it works like every other show. I'm going to do something hopefully kind of... Okay, the way this works is very simple. I'm going to go into my magical circus tent. I'm going to load up a circus act that I love, that I think you're going to love too. When I come out, please give me a little bit of clapping and cheering. The only thing I ask everyone is, please, when I go back into this tent, don't abandon me at my most vulnerable when I can't see you, okay? It'd be a really mean joke. One more time, everyone. Are you guys ready to see a circus show? All right, if you're sitting in the front, you can go ahead and sit down. There's a lot of small things that are going to be happening, so the closer you get, the better the show is going to be. But I think let's go ahead and kick it off. Here we go. So hard to get them in the day. What a nice warm up for all of us. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you like that. That is the next thing that I have planned and I don't deviate from. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna load it up.
Yeah, black ready. This is hard to with them going yeah. It would be ready to play this on the stage. Look, get they're called shitty.
Oh no, you know these. I can give you a new one. Well, it's our show Now, if he can act this out for you and you get it within 1 day, No, you got it. Like, we're gonna go on the story and like, you know, we're gonna do this.
Good.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this. It was a good choice going to that 7 p.m. one.
I love it. Love it. Love it.
More things in the box. Here we go. What else do we need today? Next, bees. 3 weird little good things. Any guesses what they are? Any guesses? Any guesses? Shout it out. What do you think? Hula hoops. A very good guess, my friend. A very good guess, but unfortunately, you'd be wrong. These are not hula hoops. These are something different. These, my friends, are the world's worst slinky. Disappointing, isn't it? Should have seen my face on Christmas. Now check it out. They're actually a strong stuff. Now I have been training at the gym for months to be able to perform this stuff, so it's going to blow your socks clean off. You ready for this? Yeah, they're going to come straight out of the shoes. It'll be great. Strong woman stunt number 1. I said it's a strong woman stunt, but I really can't compete with this dad who's holding 2 kids at the same time. That's even more impressive. Would you like to just do the show for us, sir? You've clearly got your life sorted out over here. Here we go. 2 strong woman stunt number 1. Here we go. Ready, set. Ta-da! Thank you. You were right, kid. It is a hula hoop. But my hula hoops, they're Australia, so they're not very round. I need to lie them out here in the beautiful, warm summer sunshine. Perfect. And see if we can warm them up a little bit. Just like me, just like a lizard, they need to warm up before they can do anything cool. Now, I do have 3 hoops here. Here's the third one. 3! This one is not very round at all. It is going to be a problem. We'll see if we can make it a bit rounder. Lie it down here, warm it up just a little bit. Okay. A few more things here in the suitcase. Sometimes, when I bring this one out of the suitcase, sometimes it's a bit of a reaction from the audience. It might get like an ooh, or an ah, or a woohoo! Looking at you for that one, sir. We'll see what happens. I'll whip it out. You just do what feels natural, okay? Here we go. My friends, introducing to you, it's one half of a bicycle! Ooh. Very good, sir. Nice. Equally important, but sometimes a little bit less impressive. It's the seat! Oh, big fans of a seat over this side. Nice. I did try this stunt once. I did try this without the seat. 0 stars. Do not recommend. The seat is very important in this situation. We're going to put it together here. 1 seat, 1 wheel. This bit goes in here. I've got a little line so I know how high to make the seat. It's no joke. The first time I used this bike in a show, I made the seat the wrong height. And at the end of the show, I couldn't reach the pedals. It was very embarrassing, but not anymore. I have a system. Now this is not actually a bicycle. It has a special name. If you know the name, shout it out! Just that kid, unicycle, 10 points. This is my unicycle. It only has 1 wheel and it doesn't have any handlebars, so it's really difficult to steer. I will show you how it works in just a moment. Unicycle goes up here. What else is in the case? The most important part of my show. This is the thing that lets you know that I am a professional street entertainer and not just a lady shouting at you in the street. My friends, I have checked, and none of the other performers in the outdoor program are using this piece of equipment, not a single one, completely unique, here for your viewing pleasure. My friends, introducing to you, it's my scrunchies! Yeah! Nobody uses scrunchies, can you believe it? We put 1 scrunchie over this side, perfect, 1 scrunchie over this side, excellent, excellent. Now I feel dressed and ready to do a show. This is great. Last thing in the box is arguably the most important. It's the picture of me! Look, I'm on the side. Hey! I don't know if you guys know this. You can just like go to the sign shop and they'll make a sign of your own face as big as you like. They don't even check. It's wild. Okay, a quick trick with the unicycle. Yeah, quick trick with the unicycle. Here we go. Quick trick with the unicycle. Quick trick with the unicycle. Quick trick with the unicycle. The trick is better, don't worry. She doesn't care so much, she's on the phone, it's fine. I love this trick. My mum hates it. It's called trying not to lose your fingers. Here we go. Quick trick with the unicycle. Trying not to lose the fingers. Ready, set, go. Hup, 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 hup. Hey! Yes! Alright, unicycle can go over there, that's perfect. Little skipping rope over here in the middle. Excellent, very important bag, very secret job at the end of the show, right over there. 3 hula hoops, 1, 2, 3. A quick magic trick. A quick magic trick. You guys like magic? Check this out, here we go. I've been over the psychic reading test, I've been practicing. Quick magic trick. You guys are so easily impressed, you're gonna love this show. Okay, 3 hula hoops. 3 hula hoops means I need to do 3 quick checks to make sure that they're ready for the show. Check number 1, pretty easy. Check number 1 is checking for the sunshine. Perfect. This is going to be lovely. Hoop number 2, very good. Hoop number 2 is checking for the wind. Excellent, no wind here today. This is going to be great. And hoop number 3, the most important of all. Hoop number 3 is checking for an audience. touch him afterwards, very important. And make as much noise as possible so everyone up and down the street comes rushing over to see what all the fuss is about. Let's give it a go. Hoop number 3. The most important hoop number 3 is checking for an audience. Yes! This is fantastic! 3 hula hoops in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Make the shape. Check it out. Check it out. Ta-da! If we got any chemistry nerds in the audience, we made a lithium atom. It's got 3 electrons. Yeah, science. Ooh. All right. I think we're ready. I think I'm ready to start the show. If you guys are ready to see a circus show, let me hear you say yeah!
Yeah!
Perfect. My name is Luke, and I am a circus performer. I come all the way from Melbourne, Australia, unceded lands of the Rotary people. I'm so excited to be here. This is my first time performing at the Edmonton Fringe. Thank you so much for having me at your festival! I'm going to do a few different things to astound and amaze you. I'm going to start with a little bit of hula hooping to love you guys as an audience, and then my friends. A trick so spectacular, so incredible, so mind-blowing that you are just not going to know how to respond. That's right. At the finale of this show, I will take this perfectly ordinary household skipping rope, and I will attempt set. Ta-da! Yeah. Here we go, Alexis. Starting the show. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Big throw. Yes! Perfect! Fantastic. Here's how it works. If I do a trick with a hula hoop that you personally cannot do, that's when you gotta make some noise. Here we go. Starting in the middle. Round and round, nice and easy. One side, okay. The other side, alright. Hop, and under the leg. Hop, under the leg. We go behind the back. We go behind the back again. There's a lot of hula hoops in the end, apparently. Ta-da! Alright, here we go. To the ground, to the side. Ready, set, go! Oh yeah! Up and down. Under the leg. And around to the body. Alexa, please do you have to watch the next thing? Please don't hurt your eyes. Ready, set, go. Okay.
I'll try your cola.
I tried to be
What is it?
It's like a opportunity.
pulling it over the head.
A fun spy romp, completely improvised, Agent Thunder.
That's a pretty 40 different things.
Look at that.
Yeah, Garrett,
It's fine. Yeah.